working, I'm vibing, I'm chilling, I'm good.
Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Shauna, back up in this joint with another video. Yep. Okay, so in today's video, I'm gonna do something kind of crazy. Something that I never done before. And that is, I'm about to pierce my nose. I don't know. I just decided I wanted a nose piercing. Well, I did used to want one a long time ago when I was like 16. And I even tried to do it myself then, but it didn't work out. The only piercing I've ever done myself is this. And I did that when I was 16. And yeah, I pretty much was successful at that. But yeah, your nose is kind of hard to get it through. Earrings and my belly button, I've got that done like at a professional place. But I guess years later, I didn't really care that much for a nose ring anymore. But then lately, like, I don't know, sometimes when I see it like on girls or certain girls, I feel like it looks really nice, looks really, really pretty. And then sometimes I'd be thinking like, I don't know, I kind of want a nose ring, and I don't know. But now, you know what, I decided that I want one, and I'm gonna do it myself. I don't know, I would get it done professional, but I don't feel like looking for a tattoo place. I don't know, I feel like I could do it. But here's the thing, I'm not gonna use a needle. So I know, so before y'all come for me, yeah, I already know, like, okay, you're supposed to only use a needle, professionals only use a needle, and especially piercing your nose, you're only supposed to use a needle, not a gun. But I'm gonna use a disposable piercing gun, and since I want to do it myself, like, I just feel like the gun would just be easier for me, because I don't know, I already know that I will struggle doing it with the needle. I mean, I've already watched a ton of videos now of people doing it with either a gun or the needle. And even the ones that do it with the needle, some of them take a long time and they struggle. And I already know I'm going to struggle because I remember the experience of trying. That's why I gave up. That's why I don't have my nose pierced now. Because when I was 16, I tried to and was not successful at it. And yeah, trying to get it through with a needle is hard if you're trying to do it yourself. And I already know for me it will be hard, so I don't know. But each their own. I mean, some people feel like if they were doing it themselves that the needle is easier for them, but I don't know. I watched a ton of videos of them doing it with a gun and they seemed successful at it, and it looked like, I don't know, and I just liked how quick it was, and it's like, if I'm gonna do it myself, that's how I need to do it. So look, I got this one. It says it's for a nose piercing. It comes with a nose piercing stud, not like a regular earring stud. So, you know, like some people do them with the disposable gun, they have like the earring back on it and everything. This doesn't have a earring back. I think it's like I don't know. You can't really see it with this lighting, but can you see it now? There's like, yeah, it's just a straight, sharp earring. I hope it's tiny enough because the picture looked like tiny. If I do a stud too, I want it to be like super tiny. Alright, so I got it from Allie Express, and it was only a few dollars. Yeah, they have these on Amazon, eBay, Allie Express, and on Allie Express they're pretty cheap. It was like less than $5, and it came with like 3 other earrings to change it. I'll show them up close in a minute, but they sent me like 3 extra rings that I could change. So I got like a loop, and then these are like studs, but this one is like a little harder, and it's got like the little curve, I guess corkscrew type of end. And this one is an L shape, and it's like a little star stud. So, but of course I can't change those for a while, right? I think the stud that it comes with is like a little diamond stud, but I hope it's like tiny though, because that's the thing too that I always like. If I had a nose ring, like a stud, it has to be like a really tiny stud. Like, I don't want a big thing. It's a little tiny, like little sparkle on my nose. That's all I want. But hopefully this is tiny enough, so we'll see. So before anybody come for me, yeah, I already know, okay, you're supposed to get it done with a needle, but I feel like, but I'm just gonna do it with a gun. I'm not saying that that's how you should do it if you want to, but this is just what I'm doing right now, and I'm gonna vlog it. Okay, so I'm gonna wash my hands, and I need to like clean the area. Oh yeah, and put a dot where I want it. Alright, I'm kind of nervous. Okay, so it's in this little thing that I have to open. How am I supposed to open it? And it's like you only get one try. Oh my gosh. As I'm opening this, I'm getting nervous. Like, am I really about to do this? Shit. I hope it doesn't hurt too much. Wait, should I numb my nose first? Shit, I don't know. I just washed my hands, but I'm gonna put some, I got a cotton ball. I'm gonna use some peroxide. Oh, and by the way, this is not a tutorial, so I'm not like really telling you like that this is how you should pierce your nose. Like I said, I already know about the needle and all that, so don't come for me like I'm trying to like tell you that this is what you're supposed to do or something. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm just sharing my experience with you. That's what I do. I'm a YouTuber and I vlog shit, and I just share some shit with you sometimes. So, I don't know. So I have like a little bit of makeup on too, so it's gonna get wiped off. My makeup is coming off. Should I make sure there's no boogers up there either? And then what happens when I do get boogers though? Like, how am I supposed to, like, are they gonna get stuck on the ring and stuff? Oh my gosh. Okay. This is crazy. Okay, I'm nervous, but I'm getting ready to do it, okay? I'm so nervous, but I'm getting ready to do it. I just want to do it. Okay, like, I started to push it through, but then I was pushing it, and it didn't do anything. But it, like, did go through a little bit because it's bleeding. I don't know. Like, how do you do this? You just, like... Did it work? Did it all the way through, though? Oh, shit. I did it. I did it. It went through. Oh my god. I did it. I did it. Oh my gosh. My nose is pierced. I did it. Don't mind my stupid asshole pimples. Yeah, it kinda hurts. Okay, can you see it? Yeah, it is a little tiny ring, right? Ooh. It's like, it's straight. It doesn't have a back on it. It's like, now it's like, well, I hope it's not gonna fall out then. It's like, I struggled at first because I was pushing it. I'm like waiting for it to like just go boom. But it's like, okay, I'm pushing. When is it gonna just go through? And I'm like pushing harder and it's starting to hurt. And it's like, okay, I'm waiting. And it's like, so then I just tried to push and it's like, okay, what the fuck? So then I stopped, but it did go through somewhat because I could see a hole and it was bleeding. So I'm just like, okay, look, I guess we just gotta like, you know, let's do it fast. I don't know. So I just did it again. And that time it just like, it went through, but I barely felt it, I guess, because we was already had a little something going. But, okay, so right now it kind of just feels like, it doesn't hurt a lot. Like, I could feel like a slight, it's like I could feel something there. Like a slight soreness, but it's not like, I'm not like in pain, like, right now anyway, so. Alright, so yeah, that was me, piercing my nose. That was me piercing my nose. It's like a little bit red, but alright, I'm gonna keep putting peroxide and stuff on it. What's better, alcohol or peroxide? Does alcohol kill more germs? I don't think I have any alcohol. I gotta get some alcohol. I use peroxide. You know, hydrogen hydrogen peroxide. Oh, I like it. It looks so cute. Hopefully it doesn't fall out. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully it works out. Hopefully it doesn't get infected. And yeah, I heard that like a lot of people when they get their nose pierced with a gun or a needle, that it can get one of those like little bumps. Like it can get this like little swollen bump that looks like a pimple or whatever. So we'll see. I mean, if it happens, you know, just keep cleaning it and put in, like, I heard you could put like tea tree oil on it if it gets that bump. That helps it go away. But yeah, we'll see. I can't wait to put in a loop. But I like the little diamonds, so I'm cool with that. I just hope it don't fall out though, because it's like.
HB on the beat. Yeah. All I think about is guap. 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 I got money on my mind, literally on my mind. Money all up on my mind, money all on my mind. All I think about is guap. 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 I got money on my mind, literally on my mind. Money all up on my mind, money all on my mind. Yeah, money is revenge, money, money, revenge. Money is revenge, money, money, revenge. Money is revenge, money, money, revenge. Money is revenge. I count it up with my friends. All I think about is guap. All I think about is cheap. Y'all don't know about energy. I'm trying to stay in my Jeep. Y'all get caught with an F. We was keeping